let's cut open a live sea urchin. So if you like sushi, then you've probably seen uni on the menu. It's that orange thing, and that's actually the reproductive organ inside of a sea urchin. So let's cut one open and let's see what fresh uni tastes like. So apparently you're supposed to cut right here, snip all the way around. Oh, the spines are going everywhere. Ah, there we go. So that's the inside, and all we're really going to eat are the orange parts. Scoop it out and give it a quick wash. It's not too briny, maybe a little bit, and the shell smells like the ocean or the sea. It's really briny, salt waterish, but the uni doesn't smell like that at all. It doesn't really have too much of a smell, and it's quite soft and a bit jiggly. It's also something else. What is that? It almost feels like underdone scrambled eggs. It's a bit mushy. You don't even need to bite it because it's just so soft, you could just swallow it. I think I need to cut open another one. It also has kind of a metallic taste. I don't know if that's just me or maybe it's a bad piece of uni. I don't know, it tastes really good when you have it with sushi, but I guess all the other flavors like the rice and the seaweed and the wasabi kind of mask this. It's more of a mouthfeel, honestly. It's not the greatest flavor. I don't see sea urchins being in the same category as oysters where, you know, you can shuck them and just eat them raw and there will be a lot of different flavors. I think it needs to be paired with something. And there's different types of sea urchins. This one I believe is an East Coast one, and then the ones in the West Coast, I think in British Columbia and California, they have those huge purple ones with the long spikes. I'm sure they taste quite similar. On its own, I would give it like a 4.8 out of 10.